हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय क्लास। टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज़ कोलाइड्स। बट अपने टॉपिक में जाने से पहले आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट्स एंड शेयर माय वीडियो क्लासेस। एंड नाउ वी कम टू द आवर टॉपिक कोलाइड्स. What is colloid? Colloid is a system between solution and the suspension. What is solution and what is suspension? We take quick recap. Solution is the mixture of two or more substance, clear mixture, and where the size of the particle is very small and cannot seen with naked eyes and can pass through filter paper, whereas the suspension is the mixture of heterogeneous mixture of two or more compound which have very large size and we can see the particle size with our naked eyes and cannot pass through the filter paper. Between two systems there is a huge group of system called colloids which has particle size lesser than suspension and more than the solution. They are heterogeneous mixture and their size is between range 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter, whereas in the solution 10 to the power minus 7 to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So the basic difference is their size of the particle, and like solution, colloids has also have two parts, two phase. First is dispersed medium and second is dispersed phase. Like solution, we have two part. One is solute and other is solvent. This is the dispersal medium and this is the dispersal phase. The phase which disperse in the system is called dispersed phase, or it is also called discontinuous phase or internal phase. And the dispersal medium, the medium on which the dispersal take place, is called dispersal medium or continuous or external medium. This is all about colloids. Now we come to the classification of the colloids on the basis of the classify in three category. First, on the basis of the phases, physical state of the dispersal medium and dispersal phase, it is 8 type. And on the basis, second is on the basis of the interaction between dispersal medium and dispersal phase, it is 2 type, lyophilic and lyophobic. And third is on the basis of the particle size, it is 3 types. First is multimolecular colloids, and second is macromolecular, and third is associated colloids. So we first come to the classification based on the phase or physical state of the dispersal medium and dispersal phase. We write down and then clear it. Now the classification on the basis of physical state. There are 8 types of colloids. First is when the dispersal phase is solid and dispersal medium is also solid, the colloid is called solid salt. The example is colored glasses or gems. And second is solid liquid. Solid mix in liquid called salt, and the example is paint. Self-fluid is the example of salt. This type of solid liquid colloids are called salt, and the example is paint, self-fluids. And the third category, where the dispersal phase is solid and dispersal medium is gas, the colloids is form are called aerosol. For example, smoke and dust. डस्ट और स्मोक में जब सॉलिड मिक्स होता है गैस में, तभी स्मोक और डस्ट बनती है। अब फोर्थ कैटेगरी है लिक्विड मिक्स एंड सॉलिड। तो जेल बनता है, फॉर एग्जांपल चीज़, जेलीज, ये हमारे कोलाइडल होते हैं। जब लिक्विड और सॉलिड बनते हैं तो उनको जेल कोलाइड कहते हैं। जब लिक्विड और लिक्विड मिक्स होते हैं तो उनको इमल्शन कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल मिल्क है, हेयर क्रीम है। एंड सिक्स कैटेगरी इज कॉल्ड लिक्विड डिस्पर्सल फेज इज लिक्विड एंड डिस्पर्सल मीडियम इज गैस और एरोसॉल। फॉग और क्लाउड जो होते हैं हमारे एरोसॉल के एग्जांपल्स हैं। सेवेंथ इज गैस मिक्स इन सॉलिड, सॉलिड सॉल। एग्जांपल प्यूमिक स्टोन। प्यूमिक स्टोन एक सॉलिड होता है, उसमें गैस और सॉलिड का मिक्सचर होता है। अब नाउ अवर एट कैटेगरी इज गैस लिक्विड फॉर्म called foam and the example is froth and whipped cream। हम लोग केक वगैरह के ऊपर लगाते हैं। Now the gas is a homogeneous mixture, so it does not come in the category। So this is the 8 type of colloids on the basis of physical state of their dispersal medium and dispersal phase। Here is some example। अब हम लोग अपनी सेकेंड क्लासिफिकेशन पे